everyone, it's Victoria from Super 6 Moments, and I'm going to show you the stuff that I got for Christmas. I have to admit they're pretty cool, and this is probably the best Christmas yet. I've got everything that I asked for, and yeah, I'm going to show you some of the things I got. This is the first thing I got. It's a massage chair, and I wasn't expecting this because I wasn't asking for it, but it's really cool, and it's a heater and a massage chair at the same time, so I thought that was pretty cool. And I got is an iHome, and it's really cool. It's like an alarm, it plays music, it does everything, and you can charge your phone with it. And I thought that was really cool because some of my friends were asking for it. I wasn't expecting to get this at all, and I really liked it, so that was fun. Another thing I got is Simon Swipe, and I wasn't asking for this game, but it did look really fun in the commercials, and every year, like, my parents will get me just a certain game, and yeah, they got me Simon Swipe this year, so next thing I got is a foot spa, and this is really good considering like I have gymnastics and basketball a lot, and it's really good because it's nice and relaxing and everything, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying it. Another thing I got is a hoverboard, and everyone's been asking for one this Christmas, and I'm really lucky to have one, and I know people have been talking about them exploding, but this one is a very trusted brand, Swagway, and government approved, and I really like it. It's smooth riding, goes really fast, and I'm going to take good care of it, make sure it doesn't explode, and I bet another thing I got is a monkey neck massager, and that looks really cool. It's kind of like a massage chair. It vibrates, heats your neck, and that looks really cool, so I'm really looking forward to using it. I also got this sled if it ever ends up snowing. I'm going to use this, and it would be really fun because yeah, we don't have a lot of sleds, and I never really had, like, I have, like, the straight ones, not, like, the circular round ones, so I've never tried this before, and I think that would be Another thing I got is an iPup, and an iPup is really cool. It's kind of like the speaker that plays music, and it kind of, like, lights up its little puppy, you can see, and it comes in different colors. It comes in, like, white, and it comes in pink, too. Yeah, it's pretty cool, and I'm looking forward to using that. Another thing I got is a boogie board, and a boogie board is just this, and you can draw on it, like, yeah, say goodbye to paper, and you just draw on this thing, and it's pretty cool. I saw this at Brookstone, and I kind of wanted it, so. The more things I got is a lot of clothes, a ton of clothes. I love clothes, sweatshirts, any of that kind of stuff, so they're all in this bag, stuffed down in this giant bag. My younger sister got me a unicorn from Dave & Buster's. You can see, the one from Despicable Me, and she also got me a lion and this little red purse with a dog on it. And that was really nice of her. And now I'm going to go to my last gift, which is going to be, okay, and this is my fluffy mat. I'm a gymnast, so I have pretty much every piece of equipment there is. Mini tramp, tons of mats, tons of beams. I'm a wedge mat. I don't have a bar, though. I really want one, but we have a really low ceiling, so. Anyway, and the fluffy mat was last on my list, and here it is, and it's actually foldable. You can see the line where it folds, and I'm going to practice some back tucks on it and stuff because it looks really fun and it's nice and smushy. Hey guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked my video. Make sure to like and subscribe below. Till next time, bye!